Hi, this is Giles Johnston from Fraction ERP. In this short video I want to go through some of the production tracking options we have within the system. I have a background as a production manager, and one of the things I found very difficult in the past was to try and find out where someone's order was when a customer phoned to find out the status of their contracts. I think we've done a very good job within Fraction ERP of building something simple, something effective that you can use to track your own production orders. And I hope in this short video you get to see just how easy it is to track your own production orders and keep on top of your own operations within your business. So from the menu, I'll go to production tracking, and I'm presented with a screen here with a series of progress bars and a list of works orders organised by the ship date. At the top of the screen are some filters, so I can actually then just look at the overdue orders should I wish to do so. And we also have a powerful search function here which I can just start typing in, and all the relevant works orders start to appear on the screen. To track the production order is pretty straightforward. All I've got to do is click on the view button here on the right hand side, and this will bring me up a list of all the operations. These ones haven't been started, they're being planned, but not actually any work's being carried out as per the progress bar. So the simplest way to actually progress this order is to click on the complete button, and as I do this you'll see that the progress bar starts to fill in. The percentage is just a fraction of the works order operations that have been completed. So in this case it's 2 out of 7 operations have been completed. The alternative way to do this is to use the shop floor data collection function by clicking on the SFDC button. When I do this I get the option to log in as my user. This is all permission controlled through the settings, and this allows me to actually start the job within the system. As you can see on the screen now, the operation is now deemed to be in progress, and if I go to the shop floor data collection screen here, I can actually see the operation is now in progress. In terms of the screen that the shop floor team might see, we have a separate board which allows you to see all the different jobs that are currently in progress within the business. This screen is probably shown somewhere near a clocking in point, so that when the staff leave for the end of the working day, they can make sure that there's no live jobs left on this screen. So if I go back into the shop floor data collection screen here, I've got a couple of options. I can either go to the stop logging function here and actually just stop logging for the day, or if I go back to my production order and go back to SFDC this way, I get the option to stop the log and complete the batch. So if I do that, that now completes a step within the system. It's worth mentioning here that as well as collecting shop floor data collection information to help us track the operations through the business, the same information can allow us to check whether the cycle times we've planned are accurate, and also it'll allow us to work out our labour utilisation longer term across the team. Another view that we can have within the system to help the shop floor team find their work is through the operations tab here. So the next operation on that particular job was for the final assembly. So within this page here I get to see all the different final assembly operations organised by the due date, and I can see the status along the side there. So the last job we looked at was this order here, 20/1. If I go back to SFDC, I can actually then start the job again, just as so, and it's shown as in progress. Again, it'll be shown in the SFDC page. But what this allows me to do is actually look at just the list of jobs required for that particular work centre. So this in effect is the work to list in the system. So again, if I go to SFDC and complete the batch, that'll then complete the operation and it disappears from the list. So if I go back now into the production tracking screen, I can see that particular works order is progressing nicely along the progress bar here. And I can also see which jobs aren't progressing more importantly. If this was a proper set of production data, we might also see a nice diagonal line going through the progress bar here, and from there we can decide which actions we want to take going forward. I hope that's given you some idea of how the Fraction ERP system works when it comes to production tracking. If you want to learn more about Fraction ERP and how it can help your business, then please get in touch using the contact form below and organise your free demo today. Thank you.